Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to turn off sync on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on You and Google. You will be landed to You and Google settings page. On this page, you can find that one of your Google account is synced to Google Chrome. To turn it off, just click the Turn Off button. A window pops up. Here, don't select the box that says Remove bookmarks, history, passwords and more on this device. Leave it unchecked. Now, click Turn Off again to confirm. That's it, you're signed out of your Google account on Chrome. This is how you can turn off sync on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.